Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use ChatGPT for e-commerce. And for that, open up ChatGPT, and after that you can use it for various ways, like you can use it for typing landing page copywriting, or you can use it for writing emails to your existing customers. You can use it to write product description. The use cases are endless, and it's up to you how you want to use it. Suppose you want to send an email to your existing customers for your new product launch, so this is how you can type a command for ChatGPT, like write an email for a new product pitch to existing customers. Then you can give some specifications, like it is a beauty product for males in the age range of 20 to 30, and then hit enter and let the ChatGPT do its work, and it will surely come up with a new email description for you. And this is what ChatGPT has come up with. If you don't like the response, then you can just click on regenerate response, and this is how it works, and this is how easy and useful it is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.